Hey y'all, welcome back to Oli Makes. So I was rummaging around the internet for a bit and ended up going down a few rabbit holes. On my way back out, I came across this ad. That is for one 10.5-inch plate. Just one. So considering I've done my share of plates here recently, I decided to see what it's going to actually cost me myself to knock one of these out, except I'm going to do one better. I'm going to do 2 plates. So I will do a complete serving set for an entree and a dessert. So there's 7.5-inch plate. And we got our 10.5-inch plate. And sticking with the Valentine's theme here, this should be in time for you to knock something simple out like this to impress the significant other and at least get them to let you sleep back in the house again. And with the money you're going to save on this, you're going to be able to buy more tools. So stick around, I'll show you how I do it on Oli Makes. Last one coming off the laser now. Alright, not too shabby. And that's the little dessert size plate. So we'll go put this with the rest of them and we'll get them cleaned up. Let's go ahead and get these all cleaned up here. Got them all cleaned up now and got a little bit better background to contrast it on. We'll take a peek at them here. I'm going to show you how these turned out. That would be the dessert plate. I think that is a 7.5-inch plate. And then this would be the entree plate, which I believe this is a 10.5-inch plate. So all in all, I think that turned out pretty good. Pretty happy with it, especially what they're going for retail. I think total I got maybe $6 into both sets here, or both pairs I should say, making one set. I got $6 into materials, maybe 15 minutes of design time to get this quick little design hammered out. It was really simple, and the rest is just babysitting the laser. And I got a camera on that, so I can go sit on the couch while it's running and watch it on the camera. So realistically, I might have $10, maybe 12 for all 4 of these plates. Sure as hell beats what I'm seeing them online for. So that's going to wrap it up this time. Thanks for hanging out with me and watching, and we'll see you next time on Oli Makes.